The Interlocking House by Whittaker Parsons, located in London Fields, is an elegant remodeling of a Georgian townhouse. Designed to improve circulation and natural light, this renovation seamlessly blends the past with modern sustainable solutions. The facade incorporates matte black cork render, creating an elegant contrast with the natural environment. The volumes of the new extension are marked by two interlocking pitched forms, adding depth and dynamism to the structure. The unique sloping roofs provide a striking visual. Constructed using aerated blockwork with wood fiber insulation, the house is designed with sustainability in mind. The hand-applied cork render not only provides aesthetic appeal but also enhances the thermal and acoustic performance of the building. On the ground floor, open-plan living is established by creating wider internal openings. The single-story rear and side infill extension houses the kitchen and dining area, with an airy flow between interior and exterior spaces. Upstairs, the 5 bedrooms spread across 3 floors retain their original Georgian charm. Natural light floods the interior through large skylights, especially in the kitchen and living areas. The reconfigured extension with its sloped roofs maximizes daylight, offering a bright and open atmosphere. Sustainability is at the core of the material palette. FSC ash-faced plywood lines the interiors, and the floors are crafted from engineered oak with jute floor insulation. In the kitchen, a terrazzo countertop adds texture and character, while upstairs, the bathroom features recycled tiles and a yellow rubber floor for a splash of color. The interior harmonizes simplicity with function. Bold, vibrant paint colors are used in the living spaces, paired with minimalist furnishings. Bespoke joinery adds a tailored touch, housing toys and books, and a sliding blackboard door keeps the playful spirit alive. The garden, also redesigned by Whittaker Parsons, complements the home's layout. An ash window seat provides a serene view of the landscape, further connecting the inside and outside environments. The Interlocking House exemplifies a thoughtful balance between modern family living and sustainable design. Whittaker Parsons has successfully enhanced light, space, and function, making it a comfortable and timeless family home.